Hello students, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're enjoying studying maths. Great, good. In the previous video, we had studied how to write the time and what is the hour hand and what is the minute hand and how to denote whether it is AM or PM. So today in this video, we are going to deal with the relation between the different units of time. Now, when I talk about the units of time, we can have the year, like this is 2021. We can have the month, it can be, January, February, March, we can have the day, it can be from, we will have which all day? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, that days. Then we have weeks, then we have hours, we have seconds, we have nanoseconds and many more. So we are going to study the relation between all these things. Now let us see this. When we look for the relation, the first and the foremost comes, and that is the year. Okay, the year is the first one. The second one that comes is within a year. In a year, there comes the months. In a year, how many months are there? There are 12 months. Yes or no? So in a year, there are 12 months. Okay, there are 12 months. Now, in a month itself, we can have weeks. So year, then months, then weeks. Now, how many weeks can it have? It can have either 4 or 5 weeks. Every week it can be 4 weeks. In a month, it can be 4 weeks or 5 weeks also. Now, we had studied the months. I hope you are knowing the months, right? Let's recall January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October. Where will I write? Okay, let's write here. November, December. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So when it starts from January, that is New Year. And then on the 31st of December, the entire year completes. So this is the entire year that we have. Mostly a year has 365 days. But as we know, in a leap year, it has 366 days in leap year. So in a year, there can be 365 days or 366 days. So there are 12 months. Now every month can have 4 or 5 weeks. Okay. Now we had stopped at weeks here. So every week has certain number of days. Let's not write with this. Yes, every week has certain number of days. So how many days does a week make? 7 days. I hope you remember the days, right? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in a week, there are 7 days. Got it? Now, then we have in a day, there are hours. We have hours there. How many hours? We have 24 hours. So in a week, there are 7 days. In a day, there are 24 hours. Now, then comes our hours. In an hour, there are minutes. In an hour, there are minutes. And how many minutes is 1 hour? That is, we have 60 minutes is 1 hour. And in a minute, we again have seconds. So in a minute, we have 60 seconds. So like this, if we just write the order in the decreasing order, we have year, then we have months, then we have weeks, then we have days, okay? Then we have, in a day, we have hours, then we have minutes, correct? Then we have seconds. We have more, but we are stopping here. So this is the order. Year, then months, then weeks, then days, then hours, then minutes, then seconds. Now, this is very important for us to understand this. Okay, let's understand this in a much better way now. Now, as we had studied, there are 12 months. Weeks, we have 52 or 53 weeks. So okay, so 1 year equals to 365 or 366 days. 1 year equals to 12 months. Okay, 1 month equals to how many weeks? It can be 4 or 5 weeks. Got it? We got like that? So 1 month can be 4 or 5 weeks that we have. Or we can also write it like this. 1 month is equals to 4 or 5 weeks we have written. Then we have, what all can we say? Now, then we have 1 week is equals to 7 days, right? Now, each day, 1 day has 24 hours. So 1 day has 24 hours. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Then, and 1 minute has 60 seconds. So just understand how does it go. 1 day has 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So when we understand this one, this is very important. Okay. Now, when we understand, let us understand how is it related. So if my question is, let me write the question here. Find out the number of seconds in 1 hour. 1 hour. So what is given to us? Time given equals to 1 hour. So we know how many seconds we know. We have to find out the seconds, but we know that 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes. We only know this. But we know that 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So see, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now, but 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, for example, if the cost of one toffee is 5 rupees, what will be the cost of 10 toffees? Yes, we will multiply it. Similarly, if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, if 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, then how much will be 60 minutes? Therefore, we can write 60 minutes is equals to 60 into 60 seconds. And that would be equals to 3,600 seconds. Just see this one, 60 minutes, 60 minutes, 60 minutes. 60 minutes can also be written as 1 hour. Yes. Therefore, we can write, what can we write? We can write that we can also write it in this way, that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. Got it? This is how we convert. This is the conversion. This is the relation. Now, I think you understood this. Now, let us study one more very important thing, that the days in the month. How do we understand? Days in a month. You know, it's really very interesting. You know, the days in a month can be 28. It can be 29. It can be 30. Or it can be 31. But the question is, how do we know? That is a question. So let's study through a song. Okay? Repeat after me. 30 days of September, April, June, and November. So 30 days of September, April, June, and November. Got it? Next is February has 28 days and sometimes 29. Do you know when it is? Yes, the leap year. So February has 28 days and sometimes 29 days. All the other months have, any guesses? Yes, 31 days. So which are those months? Let's see. January, March, May, July, August, October, and December. Just see. Let's learn this. It's interesting, right? 30 days of September, April, June, and November. February has 28 days and sometimes 29. Then all the other months have 31 days. And this is how we learn the days in a month. Got it? I hope you enjoyed this and understood the relation. Try to practice it. If any doubt is there, you can write it in the comment box. I will make a video of the same and help you with that. With that note, till the time we meet the next time, bye-bye. Take care and study with fun.